Posters make such a beautiful addition to your memorial, funeral, or your celebration of life. And once you have a poster, you actually can use it for one or both or all three. They look really beautiful on an easel, and they can be used with or without photo posters on either side or both sides. So in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can edit the poster. Click here, and then we're going to go down to the posters. Now the posters come in all different sizes, and no matter what size of the picture posters there are, the 24 by 36, 22 by 28, I have them all the way down here to the A2. So just decide what size poster it is you want to use. Click on that, click the purple button, and now we're here in the Canva canvas. Again, this is pretty easy. To change any of the text, you're just going to double click into that text box, and then you can backspace and then type in your new text, and then you can move it around here. Double click, change the text, double click, change the text. If you want to change the picture, you go to your uploads, and then you're going to left click, hold, and drag over your picture. Now there's two posters here, and there's a reason for this. If you're only just having this picture poster by itself without any photo posters on either side or both sides, then you would choose this top one. These graphics are set out to be a beginning and an end of just this poster. If you decided you're going to be using a photo poster, and you'll be seeing that in a different video, then you would choose this one. This is the one you would print out as page 2, because then the roses will be up here on the corner for the one poster and come down, so your eye looks at this graphic here and then swoops down this way, or it will swoop up this way to the other graphic that's here. Or if you have both photo posters on either side, you'll see graphic up in the corner, in the left-hand corner, and then down here on the bottom, and then up in the right-hand corner. So this grouping can be very nice with just the poster by itself, or with a left-handed poster, photo poster, or a right-handed photo poster, or both left and right-handed photo posters, in which case you choose this one. And the way you choose those is you decide which one you want, and the one that you don't want, you just click this trash can delete button, poof, that's the one you have. Oops, if you made a mistake, come up here to the undo button, and that one comes back, and now we click the other one, and now this is the one that we're going to be using. And then you would come up here to your share button once you've made all your changes, and then download, and you're going to change this to best for PDF printing. You're going to flatten that and then download, and this will download the PDF that you would be using to give to the printer to have them print out your poster. This is a pretty big file, so sometimes, depending on your computer speeds, can take longer or shorter, and I'm going to open this for you. And you can see how big this is going to be. It's a pretty big file. And then you would just upload this PDF to your printer, and then back will come a very beautiful poster. I also just wanted to put a quick note that with most of the sizes of the posters, you're going to be sending these off to a printer. But the exception is 8 by 10, then you would be cutting off the sides, the little edges there where you'll see the excess white, and then you can put that into a photo frame. And that's how that's done. I hope this helps. And I'll see you in the next module.